You want the best for your car? You already watch our tutorials.
So the best place for the best deal is to buy from the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulb bulbs used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. To increase their lifespan, we would suggest never touching the glass with your fingers or cleaning them carefully with paper towels before putting them back. Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. Open the trunk and identify the plastic wing nut which holds the lights in place. Unscrew it, turning the wing nut anti-clockwise. With your hands, pull directly on the light. Remember to do this horizontally in line with the car. Take out the power connector. To do this, push on the small plastic tab and simultaneously pull on the terminal. Remove the protective foam. Remove the light bulb support board by separating the tabs on the holding studs. Each bulb is removed in the same way. Push it in and unscrew with a quarter turn. Take the new bulb. Do the same but in reverse when putting the new bulb back in. Put the connector board back in by simply pushing on it, positioning it the right way round. Put the protective foam back in place. Plug the electrical connector back together. Put the light back in its housing. Rescrew the wing nut, fixing it in place by hand. Operation completed.
Please support us. Subscribe and like the video, that will be really cool.